Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. It's October 25th, 2022. I wanted to hop on here and talk to you guys a little bit about extended warranty. As you guys know, we sell a ton of extended warranty all over the United States. And the time has come. I can't do it all myself, so we've got an employee here I want to introduce you to. She's been with us for a while, and she's going to help out with finance and extended warranty. Let me introduce you to Alora. Hi, Alora.
Hi.
Tell us a little bit about who you are and where you grew up.
I have been in Fairview all of my life. I really like it here. I love being able to work at Big Pine and help everybody out with warranties and finance.
So Alora's actually been helping with extended warranty and finance for a little while, and the time's come. I just got to turn it over to you. So are you ready for this?
I am super ready.
Tell us a little bit about who you are in other aspects of life. I mean, I know you love Big Pine and you never want to leave here, but there are times you're out doing other stuff. What type of hobbies do you have, and what do you like to do when you're not here?
I actually just got back from an elk hunt. I love hunting, fishing, camping, and of course, side-by-side and ATV rides. We go to the dunes, we go out to the desert. I just love being outside.
What do you like most about working at Big Pine Sports?
Getting to bug Jared every day.
Yeah.
No, I really like all of the employees here and just being able to help customers out and see lots of people every single day.
What do you like about the growth of Big Pine Sports? You've seen us kind of go from a company that was, we were a company, but now we're starting to get known throughout the United States. You're dealing with customers all over the United States and the world for that matter. What do you think about the growth of Big Pine?
I've been here for almost 3 years now, and it's been really exciting to see all of the new changes and being able to talk to a whole bunch of different people from a variety of the states. I'm super excited for everything that's going to come.
Perfect. Now, tell us a little bit about on the extended warranty side. If people are interested in getting extended warranty from you, how do they go about doing it? One of the ways that I like to do it is texting. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, of course. So you can either call our Big Pine Sports, which is 435-427-3338, option number 9. Or, like Jared said, you can text 435-777-3849. Just your VIN number and your name, and then I will go ahead and look you up on Yamaha, and then I'll give you a call, go over all of your information, and let you know what we can do to help you out.
Perfect. So the texting works great. That'll go straight to Alora. That's not going to come to me anymore, you guys. I'm sure you'd rather work with her anyways than me. But shoot that text over with your VIN. She'll call you shortly after to answer any questions you have and get that extended warranty done. Any last comments or thoughts about this introduction?
Just give me a call. I am super excited to be helping you out. So call me anytime and I'll help you.
Perfect. We'll have some more videos from Alora coming up in the future. Stay tuned, everybody. We've got a lot of exciting things happening here at Big Pine Sports. As always, have a great night, everybody.